This is Peña reading Dr. John Palumbo's report, Aphid Management on Lettuce Using Soil and Foliar Insecticides. In last week's update, we noted that PCAs would soon begin finding aphid infesting local lettuce and cole crops. As predicted, we have received reports from two PCAs that small colonies of wingless aphids have been found on lettuce, along with winged adults. These populations have been found in both Yuma Valley and Welton. We have also found winged green peach aphid at the Yuma Agricultural Center. Timing of aphid colonization in leafy vegetables varies by species and depends largely on temperature, rainfall, and planting days. However, my experience over the years as well as observations from numerous field trials suggest that aphid species that infest leafy vegetables are historically most severe on crops planted from mid-November through December. Of course, there are exceptions to the rule, and aphids can occur when least expected. Consequently, you should begin planning now for spring aphid management. Growers and PCAs have effective options for aphid management on spring leafy vegetable crops. First, there is a responsive approach that relies on foliar insecticide sprays to reduce aphid numbers when they are found on crops. A number of insecticides are available that have cost-effective activity against aphids when applied as foliar sprays targeted at aphid populations as they begin colonizing plants. There is also the preventative approach where growers can apply neonicotinoid insecticides at planting 1.5 to 2 inches below the seed line. The insecticide is taken up by the plant roots, systemically translocated through young plants for several weeks following emergence, and ultimately prevents aphid colonization early in plant development. Both approaches can be very effective, and both can be used in the same field. Among the neonicotinoids, imidacloprid has been the standard in soil insecticide applied on spring lettuce for aphid control for 20 years and continues to provide long residual control when used properly. More recently, Movento, with its excellent systemic activity against aphids via foliar application, has been incorporated into lettuce IPM programs, along with other novel insecticides with aphid activity. Other effective foliar options include Believe, Assail, and the newly registered Closer. However, the question has been posed, which approach to aphid management is better? Our research suggested a combination of both, imidacloprid applied at planting, followed by foliar insecticides if needed under heavy late-season pressure. For more information on this topic, please visit the research report Aphid Management on Head Lettuce Using Imidacloprid and Foliar Insecticides.
Remember, when in doubt, scout.